Trying out some new switches. Pick these up at Micro Center. These are the Bullet QTs. These are super quiet, tactile switches. And I was trying to find a work keyboard that I could take in and not bother anyone. I had a few tactile linear ones that just weren't working, but I found these switches and I wanted to give it a try. This is the Magic Wand Mini Pro platform that I'm going to put it in, and I wanted to try something super affordable and super quiet for the workspace environment. But listen to these switches. And here are the new ones. I seem pretty happy with them. They seem super quiet, and yeah, hopefully they won't bother my neighbors at work anymore. So more to follow.